Hello everyone, how are all of you? I hope all of you must be doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about a poem called I'm Nobody, Who Are You? Which was written by Emily Dickinson. First I will give a brief background and then I will discuss the summary. The poem was first published in 1891 in the poem collection called Poem Series 2. It is a short lyric poem of 8 lines. It is one of the main and best poems of Emily Dickinson. In this poem, the poet discusses that there are two kinds of people. First one is nobody, meaning that nobody knows them, and the other people are somebody. It refers to the famous people. And the major themes are fame, anonymity, privacy, and authentic identity. Now let us move on to the summary part. Stanza 1. I'm nobody. Who are you? Are you nobody too? Then there's a pair of us. Don't tell. They'd advertise you know. The poem begins with a question that I am nobody, I am nothing, and no one knows me. Then the poet asks the reader that who are you? In the second line she says, are you nobody just like me? These lines mean that nobody knows you are just like how no one knows about me. Our pair has been formed. Further, the poet says that don't tell this to anyone, otherwise, they will try to advertise us, meaning that they will make us famous. We are nobody and we do not wish to become famous. That's why we should not reveal this detail to anyone. Stanza 2. How dreary to be somebody, how public like a frog. To tell one's name, the livelong June, to an admiring bog. In the second stanza, the poet is saying that it is frightening to become somebody. This line means that it is a frightening experience to become famous. The life of famous people is like frogs. There is nothing private in their lives. Everyone knows about their personal life. Their life is boring and dull, just like a frog. Lifelong June means all day and all summer long. So the poet is saying that famous people spend their entire lives telling their followers about themselves and they cannot do anything about it. In the eighth line, bog refers to a wet, muddy, and stagnant swamp. Here, frog refers to the famous people and bog refers to the public. So, here the poet is saying that famous people spend their entire life boasting and praising themselves, and the public blindly follows them because they lack critical thinking. This line highlights that public life is empty and unrewarding. Through this poem, the poet wants to say that it is better to become nobody than somebody. According to her, public life is shallow and empty. So, yes, here ends the summary of the poem. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching and have a good day.